Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn about group by and order by clause in SQL. So I'm going to use the already existing table which is album. If I execute this query, I'm going to get the records. So there are around 348 records shown here. If we apply the group by clause on this query, uh, for group by title and artist ID. Okay, so for the combination of title and artist ID, if the combination is getting repeated, so we'll be getting the result only once. So if I execute this query, so I'm getting around 346 records. There might be two records which are getting repeated for the combination of title and artist ID only. Otherwise, we have the album ID as a primary key. So all the records are obviously unique, although it's a relational database. So relational database have the property that all the records must be unique. So we can just print or show whatever column we want, like we can show the artist and title, for which we have applied the group by clause here. Okay, so and what we can apply the count of how much times these are getting repeated in the desired rows. Like I can apply count on the primary key, which is album ID. Okay, so this can also be applied. So in the group by clause, what we do, we apply the condition using having. Okay, so having the count asterisk, the count album ID greater than just equal to 2. Okay, so I have seen the combination of balls to the wall and artist ID 2 is getting repeated twice, and the combination for those about to rock Visual YouTube's title and the artist ID 1 is getting repeated twice. So that's how we can use group by in SQL. Now we can start with the order by clause. So here we can still use the existing table for the order by clause. Here I've seen that we have album ID, which is a primary key, the title, the artist ID, which is the foreign key, which might be foreign key to a particular table or particular column on a table. This is the column 1, any random column. So we can apply order by clause on any column, like artist ID, or what we can say, we can apply on album ID. It's already in ascending order. So the order by clause give our results in ascending order by default. So even if we don't write ASC, which we write for ascending order, like this, it will still give us the order in the ascending way. Okay, so if we want the details in the descending order, then we have to write DESC. Okay, and execute this query. So I'm going to get the details in the descending order with respect to the album ID column. Suppose there are two album IDs which are same, although which is not possible here because album ID is primary key. Suppose it's not a primary key, it's just a simple column. So suppose there are two album IDs with the same ID, and we have artist ID 275 and 274, and we want artist ID to come in ascending order. After that, suppose like I've already explained you, we have album IDs 348, 348. Now we have artist ID 274 and 275. 275 is down and 274 is up. So we can change the order of that particular column as well. If I click on enter, so it will give me the result in the suitable way. So we are getting the same query because there is no change. So that's how we can use the order by column clause in the SQL.